A boy runs on a circular path. So this is a circular path. The boy runs on a circular path. The radius of the circular path is 28 meter, and boy has a constant speed of u, that's equal to 4 meter per second. So another boy starts from the center the path to catch the first boy. The second boy always remains on the radius connecting the center. So at the beginning the boy is just here, and say after some time when the first boy is here and the second boy is then on the line, so it has moved a certain amount, moved a bit. So here we take this. I will solve here by polar coordinate system. So this is the theta equal to 0, and here it is theta, and this is r. So their velocity is actually, say this is the radial velocity dr dt, and this is the tangential velocity r d theta by dt. See here, as you see, d theta by dt, so see it moves the same angle, right? It has to be on the radial line. So you know d theta by dt is equal to u by r. That's for sure, because it is given that the second boy always remains on the radius connecting the center of the circle and the first boy, and that too the magnitude of its velocity is constant. So that is, this v velocity is constant. So this v is also 4 meter per second. So v is equal to u. So I can write it as v by r or u by r. It's same magnitude wise, it is same. So therefore I can write, so dr dt square plus r d theta dt square is equal to v square. So dr dt square is equal to v square minus so r square times d theta dt, which is constant, so v square by r square, because initially we have proved that this d theta dt is u by r, and that is same as v by r. So therefore we can write dr by dt, we take a square root of that, so v by r to root over of r square minus r small r square. So therefore dr by root over of r square minus small r square is v by r times dt. So let the time be t, and small r varies from 0 to capital R when the first boy and the second boy meet each other. That means we can write their sine inverse of r by r, put the limits, is equal to v by r times t. So therefore sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0 is equal to v by r t. So therefore the required time is r by v times sine inverse 1 times that means pi by 2. So we'll now substitute r is 28 by v and u, both are equal to 4, and half of pi means 22 by 7, so 7 4 28, so answer is 11. So that means the time is 11 second time, and it is given as 10 plus x, so that means x equal to 1.